We have a health alert for you this morning. Rockland County officials now say there are 12 cases of whooping cough in the county. News 12 is told 9 kids are under the age of 5. The rest are between 5 and 10 years old. Only one of the children, we're told, has a record of being vaccinated. County health officials do not consider this a pertussis outbreak, saying there are no links between the different households. Still, they recommend parents take action to protect their loved ones.
The message is vaccination, full vaccination, on-time vaccination is important.
Symptoms of pertussis include fever, runny nose, and that violent cough.